Do you want me to hold it still? Oh, no, you got it. There you go. You're so smart. Brayden! You look how smart you are. You did it all by yourself. You want to help? Okay, I'll help. I'll help. You got it. There you go. You got it. Didn't even really need my help. You're so smart. Yeah. You help me? Okay, I'll help. I'll help. You're so smart. You're so smart, Brayden. Okay, you don't need my help. Okay, I'm trying to help. Okay, ready? Why don't let Mama help you? Let Mama pull. Okay, there you go. Now do it. Oh, good job. You're so smart. Whoops. Oh, sorry, Mommy's got this sideways. Okay, now do it. You're so smart. You got it. It's in. So smart. You're so smart. Look at you, Brayden. Look how smart you are. Yes, ball, yes. Yeah. Oh, you want help? Help? What do you say? Okay. Okay.